Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Northwood Arctic Fox 811 camper made for a short box pickup. This one is with the generator on board. Come on inside, let me show you inside first. When we enter in, this has the Fox landing package, so it makes a nice easy step up with the fold up step, and then this folds up. And then the interim step there. Friction hinge door. Nice layout here where we have a wet bath as we walk in, right in the doorway. Nice big wet bath with a skylight and power fan. Porcelain toilet in a camper. Very, very nice. We scroll along, we have an open pantry here that pulls open with a lock on it with adjustable shelving. Nice and deep. Fixed shelf pantry down below. Nice big kitchen area where we got the big Furrion oven. 3-burner cooktop, overhead fan and range here with the Furrion microwave. Nice cabinetry above. Solid wood cabinetry here. Nice kitchen setup here. Cooktop. One big basin sink, stainless steel, pull-out faucet. Onboard solar already on it. Is a 20-amp solar to trickle charge the batteries. AM, FM, CD, DVD player, all through one unit here to play through the movies for the TV here, as well as your monitor panels here, and on-off switch for the generator, and the thermostat for our heat and air conditioning controls. Nice big bedroom area. Cabinets and drawers on all sides, both sides of the bed. The TV is on a pull-out, swing-out bracket. Plenty of headspace. USB 110, 110 or 120 plug-ins outlets on each side. A USB and individual lighting on each side of the bed as well. Full 60 by 80 queen bed. Inside here is an additional countertop that will come out. The stores inside here, stores here, gives us a nice big extra counter space here, or by day it's off so we have easy access into the bedroom. Skylight in the kitchen with shade. Rack in the wall there behind the closet. Privacy shade for the bedroom. Nice big Norcold refrigerator freezer. Nice big dinette area with the easy glide down table to make into a dinette. Nice big dinette window. Dual pane windows on this model, as well as having the Fox chair step that would go in front of the bed that could be utilized as a chair or a step, whichever you prefer for access. Storage underneath here. Storage underneath there. Nice big drawer here. Plenty of ceiling height, all LED lights throughout the whole coach. This is the Legacy Edition model, so it's going to have a few extra features like our tabletop surface, countertop surface, the little Legacy badging here on the curtain. On the Legacy Edition, we have gray exterior with the blackout options. So blackout steps, bumper, whatnot. This has the large step here, onboard generator, back patio, propane quick disconnect. It's got the 12-volt big spotlight, LED spotlight out the back end, roof rack on top, exterior rear speakers, power awning with adjustable pitch out the back end, storage in the bumper. This step will pull out, unpins, and then we have a 4-foot Joey tray that comes out for storage underneath. The big heavy-duty Rico Titan jacks, very high-rated capacities, will handle this camper with ease. Storage in behind the, underneath the dinette area here with the magnetic catch. Full 1-inch thick baggage doors, keep the heat in, keep the cool in the summertime. Frameless windows, part of the Legacy Edition package. the graphics as well. All diamond plate down the side, so no raw material to get wet and deteriorate, as well as having the old cast iron piping for our LP system, rather than being a copper tubing that's going to smash and pinch real easy. One-piece wrap all the way up from here, clear up, no cross seams to create a leak down the road, so very well designed. One of Northwood's ideas to keep it simple. Roadside here, water fill, outside shower. Comes with a 6-foot hose and nozzle. Gas and electric hot water heater. Pre-wired for satellite and park cable here. Shore cord, pre-wired for underneath here for our ZAMP solar system. It's a portable A-frame solar panels if we want to go more solar, get more charge into the batteries. This has got a pull-out tray. We put 2 brand new batteries in there, already wired up for solar and everything else, so makes it real easy. Magnetic catch there again, real nice. Access for plumbing behind the shower here. This is going to have part of the Legacy Edition as well. It's going to have a exterior motion sensor spotlight, where the non-Legacy Edition would just be a light. That's got the extra motion sensor, which is a nice feature. 2 7-gallon propane tanks. So we got 14 total in a camper. That's a lot of propane. Then we have our access underneath here that gives us access for our gate valves. Low point drains, everything's right there. And a little extra storage area. That's kind of a quick rundown on the 811 Arctic Fox by Northwood, built here in Oregon, using plywood, not particle wood, full aluminum cage, very well built, one of the top-notch campers here in America, Canada, as well as up north in Alaska where it gets really cold. So if you're looking for a good, well-insulated, well-built camper, here it is. Here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Make sure to ask for me. My name is Clay.Thompson. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.